channel. So as I said, always follow the trend and avoid spike, rather catch spike. If you understand my major point here, and if you rather catch spike, you will be able to have 100% control of your total stop losses. But if you are not trading, if you are trading against spike, your broker is always doing to have a total control over your stop losses. This is one of the best advice I want you to take this, Esther, and this is one of the major things I want you to change in your trading system. Always trade spikes rather than trading against spike. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. And this is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and in today's video I'm going to give you a nice superb boom and crash Esther MACD spike catching strategy, and I will explain every details in this video. So let's dive in. So in today's video I'm going to highlight to you one special boom and crash MACD spike strategy that you can be able to use this Esther and catch spike consistently trading the boom and crash market. So now, before we dive in, let me tell you all the details of the strategy. Number one, we are going to concentrate on what the happy Esther spike catching strategy. Number one, follow trend and obey the rules. That is the first condition for the strategy. Follow the trend and obey the rules. Then the second condition is patience and consistency. That is the second condition. And in my bonus tip, I'm going to tell you that follow trend and avoid spikes, rather catch spike. This is a very nice advice from me, because I have a lot of experience in trading boom and crash, a lot of experience in catching spike, and I can guarantee 100% told you that follow trend and always avoid spikes, rather catch spike. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. So let's dive in now. So let's start with number one, follow trend and obey the rules. What I want you to understand, even in my VIP signal group, now, you can see even in my VIP signal group now, we always analyze boom and crash daily. Now we analyze boom and crash daily. We mark out the major point, we mark out the major for the support and resistance level, and we'll be able to explain every details of what is happening on boom 1000 index and crash 1000 index respectively simultaneously in this channel. So that is one thing you need to understand. Why? Because we always want to make sure we follow the trend, and if you want to follow the trend, you must understand what the market is doing and what the current market condition is telling you. That is one thing I want you to understand. Always follow the trend. You need to make sure you always follow the trend in order for you to make sure you get anything catching spike. If you follow the trend and obey the rules, that is the first condition I would like you to mark on as boom and crash special guide. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. So why you need to understand trend and why you need to follow trend? As simple as possible. Market has been producing lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But what happened? Suddenly at this level, market crossed above this black line, red line, and also start to form what you call higher high and higher low formation, which is exactly what you are seeing here. Higher high, higher low. This high is higher than this low, so that is why it's higher low. This is higher low, this is higher high, this is another higher low, this is another higher high. So immediately you started seeing market is in a downtrend and started forming this, you should be able to understand that the trend has changed. Market has completely changed trend. Market has completely moved market from that particular downward market movement to another upward market movement. We are now in a consolidation move of a market trying to form a setup where we are going to wait for any possible confirmation in order for us to take trade. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. I strongly recommend you always follow the trend and you obey the rules. Any strategy you have, any information you have, whether you are catching spike or you are trading the boom and crash or you are trading forex or any other indices, even futures trading, one thing I can guarantee and one thing I can tell you, always follow trend. If you follow the trend and obey the rules, you have moved to the next point of your life. Always follow trend and obey the rules. This is exactly what you need to understand, and this is exactly what you need to master: catching spike, trading the boom and crash market. And that is what I want you to understand, and that is exactly what you need to understand. If you follow the trend and avoid rules, you have helped yourself, you have helped your trading system, you have helped anything you want to help regarding your trading system in such a way that you should be profitable in the long run, catching spike, trading the boom and crash market. And let me move to the second point on the list, which is patience and consistently. Please, I want you to understand something. Patience and consistency in trading are going hand in hand. Example, let me give you a short example. Example is last week in our BIP signal group, we gave a very nice superb signal. You can see we gave a very nice superb signal at F49. We entered the market at around 29.74 price level. That is when we enter. We target 600 pips. But what happened? In just short time, market started to spike up. Since when we have just 20 to 15 pips target profit, we hold our position. We have been patient with the market. Market continued to move. Market continued to spike up. What happened? We reached some point in our VIP signals and even in our pre-signals where that particular market we enter is giving us over 660 pips, catching spike, trading the boom and crash market. And I'll show you every details right now here, live and direct from my VIP signal group. You can see a lot of people have been joining and even sending some testimonies about their trades. You see, so that is why I told you that you need a very, very good consistency. You need to be very consistent and you need to be very patient with the market. If you are very consistent and you are very patient with the market will always give you reasons why you need to enter that market. Market will always give you a reason why you need to sell that market. Market will always give you a reason why you need to buy that market. Market will always give you a reason why you need to trade that market. If you don't have any reason for trading any market, please kindly avoid trading and wait patiently for a market. This is why I want to reach, which is the last update I give on that VIP signal. We see we are even using 0.05 lot size, but we are reading over 660 pips, gallantly catching spike, trading the boom and crash market easily using our special VIP signals and our free signals in our Telegram group. You can check the link in the description of this video. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. So that is what I want you to understand. And the last but not the least, which is follow trend and avoid spikes, rather catch spike. This is a very, very, very title bonus tip I want to give to you. Whether you are trading boom and crash, whether you are trading the Forex market, whether you are trading crypto, whether you are trading any form of market volatility system, always try and make sure follow trend and avoid spikes. Spike does not necessarily means you trading against normal boom and crash spike. Spike simply means any market that have a very huge potential move up or downward using a very good price action movement from a strong demand zone or from a strong supply zone. You should be able to understand that there are some conditions and some scenarios for that market to occur like that, and you will understand every details of that market. You should be able to trade the boom and crash quite alright. You should be able to trade the magic bounce back strategy quite alright. You should be able to understand why I said avoid spikes, rather catch spike. So I'm talking about boom and crash here, I'm talking about boom and crash here, I'm talking about boom and crash here, and that's what I'm saying. Please follow trend and avoid spike. Always make sure you are avoiding spikes. Always try as much as you can to make sure you are avoiding spike. If you avoid spike, what I want you to do if you are trading boom and crash, rather catch spikes, because if you are trading spikes in boom and crash market, you always have 100% total control over your stop losses and your take profit and any other major point in your trading system. But if you are not trading the spike, you don't have any control over your stop losses. The broker is the one that is entitled and 100% guaranteed to deal with your stop losses, and at the end of the day, this will surely hurt your account. I repeat, at the end of the day, this will surely hurt your account. So as I said, always follow the trend and avoid spike, rather catch spike. If you understand my major point here, and if you rather catch spike, you will be able to have 100% control of your total stop losses. But if you are not trading upward, if you are trading against spike, your broker is always the one that have a total control over your stop losses. This is one of the best advice I want you to take this, Esther, and this is one of the major things I want you to change in your trading system. Always trade spikes rather than trading against spike. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.